Transportation networks users need better, faster and more reliable journeys. The railway industry players are facing new challenges, optimising capacity, guaranteeing safety and security and respecting the environment, all while boosting revenues and reducing operational costs. Thales supports customers in leading their digital transformation towards data-driven operations and smart, efficient transportation networks. One of the greatest opportunities of data-driven decisions in the railway industry is through smart maintenance and operational support. Research shows that companies worldwide could be saving as much as €149 million each year if they could avoid unplanned failures. Thales' smart maintenance platform for the railway industry, cloud-hosted, secured by Thales' world-leading experience in cybersecurity and underpinned by an extensive knowledge of the railway industry. The Thales Smart Maintenance Platform has proven to answer customers' operational challenges, enabling a truly smart maintenance strategy and clear benefits. Identify anomalous behaviour which deviates from the norm. Enable technicians to fix issues the first time without need for additional expertise, information or parts. Accelerate root cause analysis and supporting the identification of underlying faults. Protect staff in reducing the need for track working by making data accessible from anywhere. Assist resolution of complex faults by sharing data and synchronizing views with Thales experts in real time. All of this leading to a more reliable, flexible and greener transportation network, which serves the travelling public and freight users in new and innovative ways. And for the railway industry, efficient transport means more business.